The Vivo X100 Ultra will be announced on May 13th, the company confirmed today on its Weibo account. The event will also see the introduction of two new flagships, X100s and X100s Pro, the first of which will have flat sides and front panel. The company already listed the phones on its online store in China, revealing the available memory combos and color options. The Vivo X100s rear looks similar to the Vivo X100, sporting a circular camera island. The display has a centered punch hole for the selfie camera, while the right side frame houses the volume rocker and power button. The frame also has antenna lines, suggesting a metal build. There's also a Zeiss logo on the camera module. The camera island has a knurled ring and 4 cameras. The camera system is seemingly unchanged from the X100, which entails a 15 to 70mm setup with a 15mm ultra-wide, a 70mm periscope, and a 50MP f/1.6 main camera. Vivo X100s has a fun AIGC function, which can generate landscape photos of spring, summer, autumn, and winter with an ordinary photo. It has a flat-edge display and a similar color scheme. Vivo X100s is expected to feature a FHD Plus display with a 1.5K pixels resolution. The Vivo X100s is tipped to come in 3 color options: white, black, cyan, and titanium. Vivo will unveil the X100SM, likely with a Dimensity 9300 Plus chip with higher clocked Cortex X4, 3.4 GHz, with 16 GB of RAM and boot Android 14 OS out of the box. The smartphone is also powered by 5000 mAh battery with 100W wired fast charging support. The Vivo X100 started at 3,999 Chinese yuan, and we expect the X100s to cost about the same. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.